tipina panapa aiwa bepa nawo resume ai vanobudanyira vachiti President Emmerson Mnangagwa could be removed the same way Robert Mugabe was by those who put him in power. His second and final term is hanged by a threat as former freedom fighters backing his deputy Kusanto Chiwenga have called for an uprising on March 31, demanding his resignation over corruption, nepotism, and other charges. Mnangagwa, who seized power through a military coup led by then Army Chief Chiwenga in 2017, had promised key democratic and economic reforms to revive the country. Those promises remain unfulfilled. Leading the anti-Mnangagwa campaign is expelled ZANU-PF Central Committee member and ex-combatant Lesetune Sugeza. Now in exile, he faces politically motivated charges after his outspoken criticism of Mnangagwa. Geza has reportedly engaged opposition politicians to mobilize for the March 31 protest. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa has deployed the right police and soldiers across the country in anticipation of a national shutdown. Thomas Karuda panapa chinzi aiwa vanhu vakainstola mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino kuti apinde into power muna 2017, they are the ones who are calling kuti aiwa he must go. Panapa the situation yavanhu vari kuona kuti aiwa it is now very tense, vachiona kuti aiwa zvinogona kusapira mushe. Panapa vaibva vanyatso kuona kuti iyi nyaya iyi ndeyechokwadi just because the government has deployed the right police aiwa mumacbd. Vanobuda vachitaura masviko achiti they are mobilizing aiwa his resignation oda kuti aiwa zvinhu zvakawirirana kuti zviitiwe aiwa the operation restore legacy yainzi ichastopa corruption aiwa ichafulfilla the will of the people, ichaita zvakawanda yakangouya ikapinda ikaita nothing. People vakatanga kusupporta cronism, nepotism, corruption, vakauya vakabvisa transparency. Zvinonzwika kunzi aiwa vanhu vakabva from bad to worse, now they are calling kuti aiwa he must go. Tudze mafunguro enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.